So I recently looked into one of the memory providers. So Mem9 is one such resource, and they don't have the listing within Hermes agent. So they manually created one plugin instead of getting official inclusion in the list of memory providers. So this plugin we can install, and then we get the ability to add the API key. So verify, if you check the current Hermes memory setup, you can take a look at the available providers. You will notice Mem9 is not listed here, right? So in order to input the entry of Mem9, you have to install that particular plugin, and once you install, it will be possible to first select this one of the Mem9's entry and then input the API key, right? So let me come out of this, and I'm inside WSL, right? So here I can sign it and connect to web console, and it would open something like this, right? So this is the first page, right? So we have to first create that before we can create a key. So this is the API key that we intend to use within a Hermes agent's memory, right? So first, creating the space, you can give it a name Hermes and then create a space, right? And once you create that, there will be API key bind to that space, right? So you can use this approach, skill.md, and have this installed for OpenClaw. But our goal is to basically get the Hermes agent plugin, right? So we'll keep this API key as is and move to the setting up part of Hermes plugin, right? So to quickly install, simply copy the curl command, right? And if we move to WSL, here we paste that, use forward key, and then would be able to hit enter, and it will begin setting it up. You can see whole process, right? Next, you can see Mem9 is now added, right? Once you add that, we will clear it again. Now based on official setup, you can see you can do Hermes memory setup, right? And for that we will use this particular API key. So I will copy this, then I will open Hermes memory, then setup, right? Now here you see Mem9 interface is available, right? So you have choice between API key and local option, right? So you hit enter. Now here you can see keep existing, reuse current API key, or auto provision, or manual. So what I will do is I will simply use manual, because we created a space specifically for that we want the API key. So I will paste that, hit enter. Also you have to specify the API URL, so I will just hit enter again so that the default should remain, right? And finally you can test the connection so that whatever you have entered will be validated. And here you can see connection is successful, so does the key, and that is saved in .env file, right? So this pretty much explains you that you have now connected your Hermes agent to that particular memory provider, which is Mem9 in this case, right? Now if I clear this and let's say I move to Hermes, right? And inside Hermes you have to start with new session and also manually hint Hermes that I want to switch to a new memory system, right? because we already have two of them connected, which is one is memory and second being the official, right? And now this third one, right? So our most obvious question would be what memory provider we are using it right now, right? So I will say what memory provider we are using right now, right? And also you can extend for capabilities with memory facts and preference. So you can use tab. So this question completion will go up to the end. And we can hit enter, and hopefully it will answer us exactly what we need to see the type of providers that are active right now. Right, so it should reply you with current memory provider being Mem9, right? It should also tell you about the JSON file that it's stored with configuration for Mem9 here, right? So it will tell you exactly that. It will also tell you about its current calls like Mem9 store, search, get, update, delete, and so on, right? We also created the target space in the cloud, right? So let me open the space. Here you can see this is the key, and I don't have now choice to reuse it. I may have to delete this space and then add again, right? Now apart from that, I have to also get the local setup if I want to. Otherwise we can continue to use the cloud one, right? So memory part, here you can see everything is empty, and Hermes however has managed to send the configuration to cloud, right? So total 5 memories, right? Now what I want to do is I want to see the space. I want to see what it has currently. Currently it is only configuration, right? So what we can do is we can basically ask Hermes about, let's say, here are some of the facts and observations that you can send to the Mem9 cloud, right? Say my name is this one, and I make using the dark mode designs and class morphism in my projects, right? Also, but I don't like certain sport, right? So we can mention, and we can see I have not tried Mem9 cloud before, right? So this is the type of memory that we will be adding into the cloud, right? So once this is added, we have to actually find the filtering that Hermes agent does before sending to cloud, right? So here you can also take a look at the usage part. You can see 6 recall requests, 1 memory write request, right? So after sending the current memory, you can also see the updates here, right? So now what we can do is we can also take a look at the webhooks. Currently everything is empty. Space chain is also empty. We'll just look at the space, right? It will show you some memories, new one added, right? You can see recall test, you can recall, and up to limit of 10 you can get them, right? Now you can see I can copy the API key, thankfully, right? Now here are our memories that are added, right? So past memories are kind of rewritten, right? Here you can see name is mentioned, type of sports which is personal and habit, then what I dislike, what I like, those are the preferences, right? That is mentioned here. So memories are into cloud right now, And if you go back here, you can see Hermes has done the work for filtering, right? So here you see identity, design preference, sports status. Also the user profile is sorted here as well, right? Now the honest notes, you can see it will show you how the filtering is done on the Hermes side. Now you can see the type of store, delete and send type of queries are made, and it will show you that stored successfully, right? So your data is now on both local as well as on the cloud, and we managed to basically set up Mem9, and we used Hermes agent plugin for that, and also stored our memories into the cloud.